Yes, so my fellow Biafrans, we don't come again to summer on another yet interesting to let so the cause banger for the social media. My correct people, the story we get to summer on today is concerning the release of Nnamdi Kanu. I repeat, it concerning the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Not be smart, my correct people. After the kitty and the katakata government, they won't be to do us, but last we don't come out victorious. Not be smart, my correct people. More cannot forget about some few days ago where I touched like this Nnamdi Kanu matter. Where we say the first release and Federal High Court for Abuja first release Nnamdi Kanu the first time, but federal government also on high bill like this and say they no agree, say they want appeal for the case, say how they go release Nnamdi Kanu like that. My correct people, no be smart, this case no be small one at all. That's why they drag Nnamdi Kanu from court to court every time they go adjourn the case, they'll still carry and go back again. Federal government they thought say they no fit release Nnamdi Kanu, they no fit release and say the guy Nnamdi Kanu na national risk, say na national risk, they no fit release and like that. Because of that one, now Nnamdi Kanu in lawyers the way they abroad self US come write to UN because say on I be like this now say the president of Nigeria Muhammad Buhari in the go against the law we then get say on I be like this now say based on say federal high court don't release and say you no agree release Nnamdi Kanu. See the whole for this detention upon every 2 week federal government make sure say them do, but finally today he don't come out from prison. And my fellow Biafrans, this one no be like the one wey happen before wey be say they don't release that they can't see carry and go back to detention again. This time my brothers and sisters levels don't change as federal high court for Abuja can't release Nnamdi Kanu today. It cause it charge federal government to say on high like this based on the way they take handle them for Kenya where they carry come say federal government Buhari and in people them where they follow the fight Nnamdi Kanu they will package and where carry and go drop for the Kenya where they carry on from the first time where they take manhandle the guy and they go still pay am 500 million as compensation for the way they take kidnap am, say na arrest, then na kidnap because the way they take brutalize Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, it no make sense at all. It was unlawful and unjust. No be smart my correct people, but before them begin to release and before they can't drop this order, so they can't review wetin na Mr. Nnamdi Kanu wetin him face. No be smart the charges is too much my correct people, and wetin even system for Kenya self no be something normal human be supposed to pass through at all. For the fact say dem torture this guy, dem blindfold am, come still chain am for ground or keep am as prisoner for a whole 8 days. They cause he carry am come back to Nigeria again because he carry am dey face 15 different charges. My correct people, the corruption for our country don't really too much, no be small thing. To the extent wey be say even as federal high court don't talk say make dem release this man after they release am for some time, they cause he carry am again put for inside detention. They thought say him be national risk, say they no fit release am like that. But we thank God say everything don't fall into places and now they change the federal high court don't charge federal government say make them pay Mr. Nnamdi Kanu the sum of 500 million, make them pay am for the way they take harass the man for Kenya and make them package and carry am go back to the way they take adopt am for Kenya and for the place they adopt am make them keep am there. So my country people, we thank God say everything I don't fall into places. The one now we can spark everybody brain at the fact say Mr. Nnamdi Kanu in lawyer himself don't come talk or say Mr. Nnamdi Kanu a very patient human being. Say since 2017 where in they face in this portion of fundamental human rights where they don't deprive them of human rights. Say since 2017 and up till now 2020 is not be small thing no. Say federal government they're supposed to even pay more than the 500 million self with high court they charge them. But anyway, that my country people now to get to summer on concerning Mr. Nnamdi Kanu. I beg, I want urge all of my brothers, my sisters, make gonna try this safe for this period because things they really happen. We're gonna try, make gonna this safe for anything on they do. Make gonna also forget, make gonna follow us on Insta social media handles and platforms so that I'm not gonna miss out legit updates like this. So that when Tori come out like this, we go summer on how the thing they be. Thank you. See you guys next time. Reality latest gist.